In this video, we're going to teach you how to remove the pattern lock from your Samsung A20 screen. If you are someone who, for whatever reason, has forgotten your security pattern lock or your PIN code. In this detailed video, we are going to show you exactly how to unlock your mobile device, but please remember that this procedure will completely format your phone. This means all the information on your device, including your files, videos, and photos, will be deleted. Currently, there is no other alternative available that does not erase your data. There's no way to remove the pattern lock from the screen without deleting everything. The information is explained beforehand. Remove your SIM card and memory card and go to the emergency screen. You need to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When the device restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. Once the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release only the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here, it's easier for you to understand. If you also need to unlock your device from the Google account, we can do that for you, even remotely from wherever you are. You can contact us through our number that's in the description, but that's only if you need it, okay? So let's get started. Hold the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts. Let's wait. Release the volume down, press the volume up, and once it starts, release the power button. Let's wait for it to enter the mode so we can go there and select. This is the recovery mode screen. Continuing here, folks, as we mentioned, to address this as it comes up. Screen. This is the first screen of recovery mode. On this option, here we're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button. Let's go until we reach the option that says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button once on this screen, and on the next screen we'll have the second option. It's this one right here, Reset to Original Factory Settings. That's what we want, so confirm it one more time. And let's wait for this process to complete. Once you reach this screen, now we just confirm. And here you just need to wait for your device. It will already come back unlocked without any lock screen password. Alright, if this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. My Pix key will be there in the video description. Thanks, take care.